Hi, good day, Miss M6482. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all the employers of Hong Kong. My name is Jersa Lumawan. I am 46 years old. I, I have three kids, 22, 11, 7. I am single. I am I am high school graduate. My religion is Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
My experience is Bahrain. My experience in Bahrain is 2 years. October 2023 to January 2026.
Okay, how many members of the family do you serve?
Seven members,
Okay.
seven members and two children. The children is 7 years old and 4 years old. The seven is girl and the four is boy.
Okay, there's a couple, right?
Yes,
Which is elderly and 59 years old adult.
elderly.
Okay, other household chores that you do.
General cleaning and washing clothes,
Okay,
washing clothes, iron, and feed care.
okay, pet caring. What kind of pet do you take care?
It's a small, I don't know how's the name. It is a small dog.
Small dog.
Yes.
How many dogs?
Only one.
Only one dog. And you are also car washing, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind how many car do you car wash?
Only one. Only twice a month.
Twice a month. One
Yes.
car twice a month. Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the temperature and then I feed the stomach and then I change the diaper.
Okay, you feed the baby and change the diaper.
Yes.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call the parents and I told the baby is not stop in crying
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the Hong Kong is safe and the high salary.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my employer he wants me to stay.
So it is okay to you to be extended, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No. But I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I want to watch YouTube and reading the book.
Okay, and if your employer prepared some food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Cutting your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
To work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? It is okay with you?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
So my future employer, if you hired me, please hire me because I am honest and obedient and patient and I respect your roles and especially I respect your family.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Jercel.
Thank you, sir. I hope you hire me.
Okay, thank you so much.